Welcome. Today we're going to learn about linear algebra, data science, and machine learning. Learning objects, explain concept of linear algebra, solve linear system of equation, describe matrix, form of matrix, and matrix operation, define vectors, and list down its properties. Linear algebra refers to study of linear combination for linear transformation to be carried out of the study of vector space, lines, and planes, as well as some mapping is necessary. It contains linear function, vectors, and matrices. An examination of the characteristic of linear set transformation. Linear equation. Linear algebra major's goal is to establish systematic techniques for solving system of linear equation. A linear equation with n variables has the following form. A1 x1 plus A2 x2 plus so on plus an xn equal b, x1 plus x2 plus so on plus xn represent the unknown quantities to be found. A1 plus A2 plus so on plus an are the coefficient, b is the constant term. Linear equation. A linear equation with two variables x and y is a linear connection between x and y. The value of one of the variables of the y is determined by the value of the other, usually x. The independent variable in this equation is x. The term independent variable refers to y since it depends on x. Linear equation example. Here are some instances of linear equation of variables type. Linear equation in one variable, 3x plus 5 equals 0, 3 by 2x plus 7 equals 0, 98x equal 39. Linear equation in two variables, y plus 7x equals 3, 3a plus 2b equals 5, 6x plus 9y plus 12 equals 0. Linear equation in three variables, x plus y plus c equals 0, a minus 3b equals c, 3x plus 12y equals half c. Identifying linear and nonlinear equation. Y equal 8x minus 9 is linear. Y equal x raised to 2 minus 7 is nonlinear. The power of variable x is 2. Y raised and half plus x plus 6 is nonlinear. The power of variable y is 1 and half. Y plus 3x minus 1 equals 0 is linear. Y raised to 2 minus x equals 9 is nonlinear. The power of variable y is 2. Linear equation form. The three forms of linear equation are standard form, slope-intercept form, point-slope form. Linear equation standard form. The formula for one variable single line calculation is as follows. Equation ax plus b equals 0, where a, b are real integer, x is the variable. The formula for two variable single line calculation is as follows. Equation ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are real integer. X and y are the variables. And next, linear equation in standard form. Linear equation takes the following form. Coefficient of x, coefficient of y. Ax plus by equals c. Ax plus by is variable, c is constant. Linear equation in slope-intercept form. The line xy point represent the distance from x and y axis, respectively. The line b-intercept on the y-axis is at 0b. We're going to linear equation in slope-intercept form. A linear equation slope can be calculated to see how one variable varies in response to a unit change in another variable. Slope equation.
Matrix. Matrix is a rectangular array or table with rows and columns of numbers, symbols or expression used to represent data, mathematical transformation, or an attribute. For example, A is equals to 2, 1, 3, negative 1, 2, and 4. The 2, 1, 3 or the horizontal represent the rows, and the vertical one is represent as columns. For the matrix size expressed as M. The matrix size is expressed as M xn, where M is the number of rows and the n is the number of columns. A matrix with 2 rows and 3 columns is referred to as 2 by 3 matrix. A 2 by 3 matrix or a matrix of dimension of 2 by 3. Notation of matrix. The following is a presentation of matrix with M rows and n columns. Let's say we have a 2 by 2 matrix, which is 7, 8, and 9, and 10. Each element is written as A, I, J, where I is row number and the J column number. For example, A is equals to 7, 8, 9, 10. For the forms of matrix, an element entries in the matrix of form is located on the diagonal, which is from top left to bottom right, and everything else is equals to 0. The matrix is termed as square matrix if n is equals to m, then the number of columns and rows is equals. For example, a 3 by 3 matrix. The last one is A is called a diagonal matrix if A is equals to 0, and for the last one is A is called a diagonal matrix if A is equals to 0, I is not equal to J, which is mean I is not equal to J. For the matrix operation, for addition, consider the following two matrices. For example, adding a two matrices for the matrix A, 22, 32, 11, and 16. For the matrix B is equals to 13, 13, 8, 13, 16. And the next one, let's add A plus B is equals to, which is 22 is represented by 22 plus 13, then 32 plus 8, 11 plus 13, 16 plus 16. A plus B is equals to 35, 40, 24, and 32. And that is the final answer. For addition rules, only matrices with the same numbers of rows and columns can be added. Matrix addition follows the cumulative property A plus B is equals to B plus A. For the subtraction, example, A is equals to 22, 32, 11, and 16. For B, 13, 8, 13, 16. A minus B is equals to 22 minus 13, then 32 minus 8, then 11 minus 13, and 16 minus 16, which is 22 is represent the A, and for the B, represent A is equals to 13. Also in the 32 and 8, 11 and 13, 16 and 16. So the final answer is A minus B is equals to 9, 24, negative 2, and 0. Which is 22 minus 13 is 9, and 32 minus 8 equals to 24, and 11 minus 13 is negative 2, because for the simple subtraction, 11 minus 13 is equals to negative 2, and 16 minus 16 is equals to 0. For the multiplication, example, A is equals to 22, 32, 11, and 16. For the B, 13, 8, 13, 16. So the first and second rows of A are multiplied with the first and second columns of B and added. A times B is equals to 22 times 13 plus 32 times 13, then 22 times 8 plus 32 times 16, then 11 times 13, 16 times 13, and 11 times 8 plus 16 times 13. So the answer is A times B is equals to 702, 688, 351, and 344. For matrix operation, multiplication rule, let C is equals to AB. Use the formula CJK is equals to EJ, AJ, BJ, K to calculate the value of each member in the IXK matrix C. The matrix product AB is defined only when the numbers of columns in A equals the numbers of rows in B. The matrix product BA is defined only when the numbers of columns in B equals the number of rows in A. AB is not always equals to BA.
Is the quantity that has both magnitude and direction. Unlike a scalar, which only has size, like temperature or mass, vectors also point somewhere. For example, velocity or force. You can think a vector as an arrow. The length of the arrow shows how big the quantity is, its magnitude. The arrowhead shows the direction it's pointing in. Here you can see the length of the vector and the direction it's pointing in. Vectors are represented graphically as arrows. The longer the arrow, the greater the magnitude. The arrowhead shows the direction. Mathematically, we often use the symbol B to represent the length of magnitude of the vector. There are also different names of vectors depending on the context. Euclidean vector, geometric vector, spatial vector, they all refer to the same concept. We write vectors using unit vector notation. Here is the standard form. A equals AI plus BJ plus CK. A, B, and C are numbers. I, J, and K are unit vectors in the direction of X, Y, and Z axis. So, this is how we express any vector in 3D spaces.